thought I'd show you all this real quick, since I ended that last video talking about those grooves that were in this fretboard. I got to thinking about that. If I started sanding in those grooves, I'm just going to make the problem worse. So I did a lot more scraping, and now I'm using these little files you can buy at the drugstore for women to use on their fingernails. Come in a few different grits, but works great for stuff like this also. So I'll just show you a little bit. I won't bother you anymore today. Yeah, that's a lot better. So feel a little groove right there. Much better, much better. Well, that's David Barrett Infinito. And yeah, YouTube, I've got Mr. Barrett's permission to use his music. I'm not really using it, I'm just listening to it. Well, that just gives you an idea what to do in case you run into the same problem I did about having those valleys in the fretboard from string wear. I mean, this guitar is 65 years old. It's had a lot of playing done on it. Hopefully it'll play for another 65 years. Still getting a lot of grime off this thing. Alright, that's all I'll bug you with today. Take care, everybody.